Dash cams are more popular than ever, and we've heard stories how saved footage has helped car owners recover damages, beat tickets, and record some pretty remarkable events playing out in front of them. Today's devices come in a variety of sizes and styles with varying degrees of features and driver assistance. Many use internal GPS to accurately track location. Driver assist features like lane departure warnings are more common than ever. Parking mode, in which the device automatically begins recording if a parked vehicle is moved or jostled, is a popular option. The mounting systems vary widely as well. Some attach directly to the dashboard while others mount to the windshield. Many are bundled with rearview cameras and in-cabin cams as well, making them particularly useful, even essential for rideshare drivers. We have listed the top 5 dash cams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. Nexar Beam. If you're looking for a dependable dashcam that won't break the bank, the Nexar Beam is an excellent option. This dashcam retails for less than $150 while still giving you awesome features like motion detection recording. The front-facing cameras capture videos in 1080p for cleaner images, and the included 32GB microSD card can hold up to 4 hours of footage. You also get unlimited free cloud backup storage for your driving videos, so you can have them on hand for insurance purposes if needed. And don't worry about needing to offload videos on a regular basis. The Nexar Beam automatically loops and overwrites old videos when the card is full. With the companion smartphone app, you can set up automatic updates for the camera, so it's always ready to go. You also can use the app to create detailed collision reports, complete with G-force, speed, and location information as well as related videos. If you forget where you parked your car or it gets stolen, the app provides detailed location info so you can get your car back safely. It even sends out SOS messages to emergency contacts in the event of a crash so that you can get help faster. And the best part, there's no monthly subscription fee. The cost of the dashcam covers your lifetime usage of the app and its features. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is a tiny dashcam that all but disappears behind your car's rear view mirror, yet boasts full HD video with HDR, voice control that actually works reliably, a decent smartphone app, and a dead simple magnetic mounting system. Installing the Mini 2 is the same as other members of the Garmin Dash Cam family. We found the setup process just took a few minutes with the use of Garmin's Drive smartphone app. The simple but effective mounting system comprises a ball and socket joint for positioning the camera at the perfect angle, while a coin-sized magnet that sticks to your windscreen and holds the dashcam securely in place. We found video quality to be good for the size of the camera. It records in Full HD 30fps with HDR and produces footage that is sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates, whatever the ambient light and weather conditions. At 140 degrees, the lens field of view isn't the widest on the market, but still provides a good view of the road ahead. There is a button for quickly saving a portion of video, and voice controls for functions like taking a photo or turning audio recording on and off work surprisingly well. Due to Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2's compact size, it does not have a display. Instead, you need to use the smartphone app to check the camera's view and access recordings. It also misses out on GPS, which is a shame, but this is arguably the only major feature missing here. Unless you need the best dashcam with driver assistance functions like speed camera alerts, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 will leave you wanting for very little. Simple, subtle, and reliable is the definition of set and forget technology. Number 3. Vantrue N4. With 3 different cameras, the Vantrue N4 allows you to get almost 360 degrees of video coverage for your car while you drive. The main camera allows you to record the road in front of your vehicle as well as the interior, while the second camera can be mounted at the back of your car to record behind you. When used by itself, the front-facing camera can record up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second for clean, smooth playback. And when used with the other 2 cameras, it still records in 1440p, while the interior and rear cameras record in 1080p. All 3 cameras are equipped with night vision for recording in the dark and motion detectors to capture video when they sense movement while the car is parked. The built-in G sensor automatically detects when you've been in an accident or when something hits your parked car, saving relevant recordings for evidence. The Vantrue N4 supports microSD cards up to 256GB. allowing you to record up to 15 hours of video in 1440p. And the camera automatically overwrites the old file on the card for loop recording, so you don't have to worry about clearing out the microSD card. An optional GPS unit is available to buy, which lets the camera record routes and location information. That can be helpful for parents of new teen drivers, as well as anyone who needs to keep an eye on elderly family members while still allowing them to have freedom. Number 2. Nestbase 622GW. Don't view the Nestbase 622GW as merely a replacement for the previous range-shopping 522GW. The latest dashcam from Nestbase boasts much improved video quality, improved stabilization, and the inclusion of some rather clever 1-3 words geolocation services alongside a bunch of Amazon Alexa skills. Plumb for the 4K at 30fps video resolution, and the resulting footage isn't too far off today's leading action cameras, proving incredibly detailed, vibrant, and smooth when viewed on a laptop or PC. Even in poor lighting, it's easy to pick out details and features, while a special super slow-mo mode means it's now easier than ever to read registration plates on fast-moving vehicles. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, while digital image stabilization is another first for the dashcam market and helps smooth out those bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Like its 522GW sibling, this model can be controlled via the voice with Alexa skills, but it requires the accompanying smartphone app to work, which isn't the best. Despite the new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it still has trouble connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. Thankfully, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is crisp, clear, and very easy to use, while the inclusion of 1-3 words is clever, as it can alert emergency and break down services of an exact location, even when there is no Wi-Fi or mobile data available. Easy to set up, sleekly packaged, and a dawdle to operate, the Nestbase 622GW is our top pick, doing everything that's required of a dashcam and doing it well while also offering some useful additional features. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Garmin is one of the most established and reputable brands in the dashcam space, so we feel confident recommending the 67W dashcam. This dashcam is packed with features such as an extra wide field of view at 180 degrees, making it one of the largest available, so it's capturing more details in the periphery than others with a smaller field of vision. You can keep your hands on the steering wheel and command the device with voice control, and it will automatically save video when it detects an accident. In addition to recording and playback, this dashcam will also give notifications for lane departures, forward collision warnings, and alerts when traffic is moving. It comes with an extra USB port and memory card, but if you want extra storage to save video clips in Garmin's online vault, you'll need a subscription which ranges from $499 to $999. So, that wraps up our list of the best dashcam. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which dashcam you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.